Here's the first run of the 7-horse field Brundage in the new engine shed. Did a little adjusting on it and tightened up the rod bearing just a little bit on the wrist pin, so we got the crank shield laying over there. Haven't got it back on yet. This engine came off a farm in northeast Nebraska. Ran a corn sheller up there. Probably about a 1904 vintage, thereabouts, serial number 519. They made these engines in 7 and 10 horse, at least I believe at that point. They may have made some bigger ones too, but in this cam stopper style. Camshaft, the front end of it stops when it's coasting, shuts off the intake and the igniter. You can see it rotate one time every time the speed gets low enough. The governor unlatches the exhaust valve, lets the valve cycle once.